Hello guys, how are you? My name is Satyendra Punia. I am your anchor, I am your host, I am your teacher. And nowadays you can see that I'm everything. Look guys, I'm not pretending myself as a very important person. I'm telling you why. I'm not pretending here anyone that I'm a very important person. So you should uh, follow my channel and always. But it's just up to you. If you really just want to improve your skill and if you really want to become a very good English speaker, then you have only one option left. Just subscribe my channel English for this because it's in the next 3 or 4 years it's you have to very hard to survive, really tough. Just wait 3 or 4 years, maximum 3 or 4 years, because then everything will divided. Everything, every department, every technology, every study, infrastructure, manufacture, everything all will divided. I am seeing very easily that after 2030 India will, I mean, next in divided in every part. Then what you gonna do? What you gonna do if you can't able to speak English properly? Then what you gonna do? Just as always, only 1% people gonna survive and 99% will always gonna be cry. This is a harsh reality and you really should accept it. So that's why I'm telling you, just like, share and subscribe my channel. So yes, here we are making a sentence, long and short. Yes, long and short. It's about summary. It's about you are giving a summary for whole paragraph, whole essay, and everything. You can say that. I mean, there is a fantastic and fabulous movie which Anupam Kher did. I mean, yeah, yes, but I'm not relating that movie because this is, you can understand that you are giving the summary. I mean, this is the long and short form. Now this is the result. Now this look guys, I am improve. I have, look guys, I dropped second year electrical. I mean, in electrical engineering I drop out second year. You know what? Why? I just want to. I just understood, because I just understood that this education system will ruin my life. I understood this thing in second year. In the second year, I understood this huge factor that this education system will ruin my life totally, badly, financially, independently, anything. And so I left it second year, and I have done, yes, I really think I did a very great. I look guys, if you really want to look, see yourself what you are actually are. Make your decision and prove it. I'm telling you, it's very important. Otherwise, life is like a, it's like a, I have given you a few example. If you just seen my dozen of videos which I made for you. Look guys, I am the only content creator who are making the all content in English, okay? And I talked about verb, tense, everything. I talked about stories, how you making stories, how you make sentence, how you make all the things you can correct, okay? Long and short. Look down upon. Look down upon. Yes, it's about you are jealous to someone. It's not a good thing. No, it's not a very good sign, and you really shouldn't do it. I mean, why you always have to be like this? So don't be like this, that look down upon. Never ever. Because jealous will jealous will give you always a bad person. And look, If you are jealous to someone, I really can't describe this. No one can, I really don't think so. No one can describe. No one can. Especially women have this psychological problem. Yes, I really don't think so. Men have this kind of psychological trap, but women, yes, they have a huge problem of this. I mean, the most important problem is this: look down upon, jealousy, jealousy. Look, guys, I am so lucky. I am so fortunate that I have a very good. I have a 7 or 8 girlfriends, and I really am telling you, their sense of humor, their common sense, they are exactly my photocopy. So I am very fortunate. I am very fortunate. We all boys are in our group are very fortunate that we have this kind of friend. I mean, they are with us over 30-14 years. Would you believe it? Over 30-14 years they are with us, still with us, and soon we will live together. Soon, just in a I think in this 1 year, in this 1 year we will live together. So I am very fortunate that I have this kind of girlfriend. But I am telling you, guys, I have seen that age girl also. I mean, they are my age. What is my age? My age is 30. So they are also are my age 30. But I have seen my age girls also. I mean, they have a huge psychological problem, which is telling them this jealousy. Don't trap it. Don't trap it. If you are really stuck with them, just anything, anyhow, just step out. Step out it. Take a decision. Just leave them everything. Leave them everything. Just whatever happen. Just if they will trash you, that they will call the police. They will go on FIR. Look, give them a full freedom. Do whatever you want to do. I'm telling you, because as I told you, they have a problem of psychological trap. This jealousy. This is a huge problem. But we will discuss this later. Lost the day. You really shouldn't do it. Many people who doing this such thing, look, there is a no such thing exists like this. Lost the day. I'm telling you why. Because unsuccessful, lost the day. This is the not any word. This is not the thing that you can relate it. I mean, lost the day what? I mean, lost the day what? You just learned something. You just accept something that you did wrong. I mean, you had an experience. Okay? You have a bad experience, good experience. Okay? So, lost the day. There is no such thing exists like this. Make a fortune. Yes. Be like this. Make a fortune. If you really want to live like a man life. What is the man life? Man life is like a war. Yes. If you are a man, just be a warrior. If you are a man, you are a warrior. Simple. As simple I am telling you, if you are a man, be a warrior. People who are, I mean, life will give you everything. Money, girlfriends, all you want to do your luxury thing, everything life will give you. Just be a warrior. I'm telling you, just be a warrior. As simple as that. Life will give you everything. Okay? So, yes, if you are learning and thinking that you are truly, my channel truly are helping you, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and tell me in comment box and so what I should improve myself and what I should make more content of like this. Okay? Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.